Hello everyone. This presentation is about types of muscular contraction and I am Murugesan Bhuvanesh Karthik of 1st Division Group 183A assisted by Assistant Professor Olga Maskovchuk. Before we get into our topic types of muscular contraction, let's see few other terminologies. They are contractility and contraction. Contractility is the response of muscle to a stimulus, and contraction is defined as an internal event of muscle with change in either length or tension of muscle fibers. Let's see the types of muscular contraction. Based on the change in length and tension of muscle fiber, it is of two types: isotonic contraction and isometric contraction. Isotonic contraction, iso, same, and tonic, tension. The contraction in which the tension remains same and the length of the muscle fiber is altered. It is of two types: concentric and eccentric. The concentric contraction is the shortening of muscle and eccentric is the lengthening of muscle. As you see in the picture B, it describes about the concentric contraction and the picture C describes about eccentric contraction. And now isometric contraction. It is a contraction in which the length of the muscle fiber remains the same and the tension is increased. As you see in the picture A, it describes about isometric contraction. Single muscle twitch. When a muscle is stimulated, it contracts after a latent period and this is immediately followed by relaxation. As you see in the picture, it gives the graph about single muscle twitch. First, there is an starting of stimulus and 1 indicates the latent period and the 2 is the contraction period and 3 is the relaxation period. What is latent period? Latent period is the time interval between the point of stimulus and the point of contraction. The muscle does not show any mechanical activity during this period. And next, the contraction period. Contraction period is the interval between the point of contraction and the point of maximum contraction. Muscle contracts during this period. Relaxation period. Relaxation period is the interval between the point of maximum contraction and the point of maximum relaxation. The muscle relaxes during this period. The contraction period is always shorter than the relaxation period. It is because the contraction is an active process and the relaxation is a passive process. Next, let's see what is tetanus. Tetanus is defined as an sustained contraction of muscle due to repeated stimuli with high frequency. It is of two types: incomplete tetanus and complete tetanus. First, incomplete tetanus. When the frequency of stimulus is not sufficient to cause tetanus, the fusion of contraction is not completed, as you could see in the picture. Next, complete tetanus. While increasing the frequency, the fusion of contraction increases every time and finally a complete tetanus is occurred, as you could see in the picture. By this, I conclude my topic and thank you for your attention. Stay home, stay safe.